So one of the questions I get more than almost any other question is, Robert, I'm absolutely broke. I mean, what can I do? Will the law of attraction help me? So when you have no money, do this. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the happiness and health that you absolutely depend on. So money is important and money is good. And so many of us have been raised to believe that the desire to have money, abundance, wealth, is some kind of evil desire. We've also been raised to believe that when we don't have any money, we are less than others. Somehow we shrink in stature. And neither one of them are true. They're both limiting beliefs. Since we are talking about money, I'd like to invite you to visit easymoneywhileyouSleep.com. I realized years ago that certain words had power. And if those words could be implanted into the subconscious mind in the right order and in the right way, they would have a remarkable effect on your ability to attract money into your life. Be sure to check out this limited time program at easymoneywhileyouSleep.com. So, one of the things that happens is when you find yourself in a money crunch, you start feeling anxiety and fear and doubt and worry and limiting beliefs. And all of these emotions, all of these feelings, high flyers, they repel money. And they repel the vibration of money. It's literally the opposite energy to receiving money, wealth, prosperity, and abundance. So when you are feeling negative, remember we attract through our feelings, according to Neville Goddard. So when you're feeling negative, you're closed to receiving money. You're closed to receiving help. You're closed to receiving opportunity. And you're closed to receiving the abundance and prosperity that you deserve and you desire. So what I'm going to ask you to do in this video right now, right this moment, is I'm going to ask you to open your mind to receiving money. Say it right now. I am open to receiving money. You see, most of us, we think we're open to receiving money, but we're actually closed to receiving money because, as I said before, we've got all these negative feelings like anxiety and fear and doubt and limiting beliefs pouring through us. Say it again. I am open to receiving money. When you start to say that over and over and over again, and you believe that you're truly open to receiving money, you start to feel happy. You start to feel resourceful. You start to feel grateful. You start to feel joyful. And that is exactly the vibration you need to attract abundance and money into your life. High flyers, don't say, I want money. I want money. That's not being open to receiving money. Rather say, I accept the money that is already mine. You see, that money has been set aside for you, and it's an unlimited amount of money, high flyers. It really is. It's only your limiting beliefs that's holding that abundance back. I accept the money that's already mine. Get bold. Get brave. Yes, I know you're up against it. Maybe you're trying to pay the rent or a car payment or something like that. Get bold. Get brave. You know, when I was just 1 inch away from being on the streets, living in a cheap hotel room. That night, I had to get bold and brave, and I had to believe totally that I was worth a lot more than this, that the wealth I deserved and desired was flowing into my life. Now, I didn't know how. You don't have to know how. Say it. I don't need to know how. I don't need to know how the money is coming into my life. But money is flowing into my life easily and effortlessly. So, high flyers, I'm going to share a story of St. Francis of Assisi. He was walking along a path, and it was just nothing but grass as far as you could see. And all of a sudden, he saw a beautiful flower. I think it was a tulip. One flower in a whole field of grass. And he got down on his knees and he gave thanks for that one solitary flower. Immerse yourself in gratitude and be grateful for all the money that is now flowing easily and effortlessly into your life. You see, when you're in a state of gratitude, you're in a state of receiving. When you receive a gift from someone, you say thank you. You feel good. That's gratitude. Get into that state of gratitude, because that is a state of receiving. And next, if you're really up against it, ask for help. Turn to the infinite universe, the infinite God, source energy, and say, you know, partner, because you're a co-creator in your reality, so this is your partner. I'm really up against it right now, but I'm not worried. I'm asking you to participate, to give me the help that I need right now. Ask for opportunities. Ask for resources. And ask for money. Yes, I said it. Okay? Ask for money. It's okay. You can do it. It's acceptable. Ask the universe for money. Now, the last thing I ever want to hear you saying is that you're broke. You see, to be broke means that your spirit is broken. Your heart is broken. Your soul is broken. You're not broke. You're just getting started. I am whole. I am complete. I am wealthy. I am prosperous. I attract money easily. Say that repeatedly. I am whole. You know, when you believe you're whole, when you believe you're prosperous, it's amazing how fast money comes into your life. And finally, the affirmation that changed my life. Are you ready for it? I've said it before many times, but I'll say it again. Money is too damn easy to make. It really is. There's money everywhere. Everywhere you look. You can't help but attract money into your life when you believe that money is easy to make. So believe it. Trust it. Live it. Believe, trust, live. Good things have already come your way. Now here's some other videos for you to enjoy on your financial journey.